Hello and welcome back to another tutorial of Tableau from PracticalIt. In this video we will learn about hierarchy. We will talk about hierarchy. What is hierarchy? Hierarchy in general terms basically arranging something in a level, in an order level, right? Hierarchy basically in you can say in Tableau hierarchy arranges the data in a level. For instance, suppose we have geographical data, like say a geographical hierarchy would be first region, then country would come, then state, then city, and then area, and so on. So this will be our geographical hierarchy. And if you take the data by time hierarchy, so what will happen? First, the time hierarchy first time has year, then we have a quarter, then month, then year, then day, and so on. So by hierarchy in Tableau we set our data on different level of details and we organize it, right? So we will create a hierarchy. So first we will see a basic hierarchy, how we can create, and in this video we will learn how we can create a hierarchy. So let's get started to our tutorial. So this is my Tableau blank workbook. So here we have several dimensions. I will pick some of the dimensions and to create a hierarchy. So in order to pick several dimensions you need to click you have to click control. Let's say that I want to create a hierarchy by category, then by subcategory, and then by manufacturer, right? I want to include category, subcategory, and manufacturer in a hierarchy. So how I will create this hierarchy? So basically you have to press control button from your key, then press left key from your mouse to onto dimensions whichever you want to pick. Let's say that I want to pick category, then manufacturer, then subcategory, right? So these three fields, I will use these three fields to create hierarchy. What I will do, I will create on this drop down icon and I'll come to this hierarchy, then I will name it I will select create hierarchy, right? The moment you select create hierarchy you will get all three dimensions name. You can leave it as it is or you can give it a very feasible name. Let's say I want to give it a let's say I want to give prod underscore hierarchy, right? I want to give it a product hierarchy, right? The moment I press OK, you will see the hierarchy icon has been created and the product, manufacturer, and subcategory has been under this product hierarchy. So what I will do, so basically what is hierarchy? If I drag onto this order date onto column shelf, you are getting this plus icon. It means we can expand this. The moment I expand this, I got the date into a quarter. The moment again I expand it and month, then day. So this is what, this is basically a hierarchy. Date field, order date field in our Supple Superstore has a hierarchy in a hierarchical format, right? So in the same way we have created a hierarchy using different dimensions from same database. So what I will do, I will drag this product hierarchy on this. Let me drag onto a row shelf. The moment I drag onto row shelf, you got this plus icon. It means it can expand. The moment I click on this, it has expanded to manufacturer. Again I can expand it to subcategory, but the order of the hierarchy is not feasible, it's not correct. So what I can do, just we want to place this subcategory before manufacturer, because see, hierarchy has to be created in a logical way, right? We must ensure that the hierarchy must be created on similar data types, else it would have no logical meaning, right? We must create hierarchy. In case if we create a hierarchy in a different data type, so I think there would be a no logical, it would be totally irrelevant. So we must create hierarchy on a similar database and in a logical way. So let me what I will do, I will drag this subcategory by pressing left key from my mouse over manufacturer. The moment I drag, you got the line right before category, so just drop it here. The moment I drop it here, if I expand this, now we have first category, then we have subcategory, then we have manufacturers, right? So this is how you can create a hierarchy. Let me pick profit measure onto text. So this is how you can visualize your data. And let me, if you pick any of the chart, you can pick any of the chart, right guys? The moment you click on this plus icon, it will keep expanding the levels. First this is on category, then I have expanded it to the subcategory. Now I will expand it to the manufacturer level. This is the basic hierarchy that we have created. Let me create another hierarchy. It's called basic hierarchy. Let me create geo. I want to create it by a geographical hierarchy, right? So I can say geo hierarchy, right? So basically I would put four dimensions from this set. So let me pick country, let me pick city, then country, then I will pick state, then region. We have picked 4 dimensions, so in the similar fashion we will create on this, and you can create any of this drop down pill and go to hierarchy. If you want to add this dimensions to your previous any already created hierarchy, just go to here. This will appear, the hierarchies will appear here that we have already created, or you can create new hierarchy. Just create on this hierarchy. So I want to give it a name called let's say geo level hierarchy. Okay guys, just press OK. The moment you press OK, you will get this geo level hierarchy. Just drag onto a row shelf, you will get this icon. Again you can say you can check here, the order is again not in a correct way. So first what we will get, we should get first a country, right? Then we should get a region, then state, then city. Let me expand this. We have only single country, which is United States, in this whole data set. Let me expand it to the region level, then state level, then city level. Further, if you want to include any some other geographical dimensions, like let me add pin code to this our geo level hierarchy. So what I will do, click on this pill, drop down, go to hierarchy, add to hierarchy. You will get all the hierarchies that you have recently created. Just select geo level hierarchy. The moment you click, this would be moved onto your level. So you can see here the city has now a plus icon. It means it can expand up to a level. The moment we drag, it has expanded up to a level, and you can pick any of your profit measure onto visualization. You can see you can visualize your data like this, right? This is not the correct visualization. This could be the best visualization. This is how you can create your hierarchy, right? This is your basic hierarchy. And let's say we have a requirement. Let me talk about a scenario. I would like to introduce a parameter in this chapter, in this tutorial. A basic parameter. Parameter is basically, what is a parameter? So first I want to give you a quick demo what I want to say. Let me drag a subcategory over here. Then we have category, then subcategory. Let me have a measure called profit. I want to have a drop down parameter where if I select a category, then I should get this category data, and if I select let's say subcategory, then I should get the subcategory data. What I want to say, if I want to select a category, so I must get a category data, and if I want to select by subcategory, I must get data by subcategory. So this is my requirement. So this is requirement. A parameters comes into picture. What is a parameter? A parameter is a workbook variable, such as you can say different data types, like a parameter is a workbook variable such as a date, number, or string that can replace a constant value in your calculation, filter, or reference line, right? A parameter will allow you to provide a value to pass into Tableau. Parameter allows you to come up with the scenario or option that are not available in your data and create these values to put in your visualization. After creation, end user can control the input to see the result of the parameter effects. So all I want to say, I want to create a parameter in this visualization. I want to give user a flexibility to choose whichever dimension he want to pick and to whichever visualization he want to see, right? So I would like to create a parameter. In parameter, let's say I will have 3-4 values. Let's say I will pick sales, a category, then subcategory, then let's say region, then you also can pick segment, depends upon you. So in order to create a parameter, just click on this icon, drop down icon, create parameter. Click on create parameter. You will have to name your parameter. So what I can see, I can call it I can give it a name called let me give it a profit parameter. I want to display profit by segment by a different dimension, right? Profit underscore parameter. Then the data type would be string. We are taking string because current value, leave it as it is. I don't want to fill it. Just click on to list. Data type string means what all the values you want to pick, or what all the values you want to fill, right? You can fill your values from here. If you want to fill your values all the region, just click on this region, you will get all the values, right? Let me clear it. You also can pick values from country. You have only one country in this data set. You can pick city, number, all the cities would appear here. So I don't want to pick a value from any of the list, so simply I would go it by typing, right? So what I want to pick, I want to pick it by category first, right? And the moment I click select below cell, it will be appearing like this, right? Let me pick it for subcategory. Category, I want to have segment also into my visualization. Segment, right? And I also want to have a region. The moment I click OK, so you will see here a parameter has been created with this name, profit underscore parameter, right? So in order to view this parameter, just click on this and show parameter control. The moment you click show parameter control, you will get a parameter over here. So all in all, these are the 4 values that I have provided in the parameter. So I want to give user a flexibility to choose whichever dimension he wants to pick and check the visualization, right? Let me select this category, then I should get the visualization by category. If I go with the subcategory, I should get with subcategory. If I go with segment, I should get by segment, and so on. So basically, if you want to If you see here, the value and its appearance both are same. What I mean to say, select this, come to edit. Value is your category and it is also displaying like category. If you want to change its appearance, you can change it. Category also can say subcategory. If I click OK, if you check here, see the appearance has been changed. So totally depends upon your need, right? So I want to keep it like this only. CTGORY category, CAT, right? I want to go it like this only. So in order to view this dynamic visualization, we have to link this category with a calculated field. So we will create a calculated field in this visualization, and with the help of calculated field, we will link this our parameter into this visualization. So how we will do it? First we will need to create a calculated field. Just click on this, create calculated field. We will say the best name would be to give first calculated, type calculated with parameter name. Press it dot, or you can press underscore, because in Tableau we have multiple dimension fields and multiple measure fields. If you want to remember what exactly this field denotes to, you can specify a calculation or cal to notify that this is a calculation field. Just press cal underscore and you can give your parameter name, which is profit underscore parameter, and give it a short name, right? So we will do, we will apply here if function. If this parameter is equal to region, then we will give a region dimension, right? If parameter, our name is profit parameter, is equal to a region, then give select region, right? What it is saying, it will link. First we have to link. We are telling here, if our profit parameter, which is this, if its value is region, then we want to show the visualization by region. We will implement else if, because we have 3-4 parameters. Else if profit, same condition. Else if profit parameter is equal to what we have category, then we want to visualize this data by category. Else if profit parameter is equal to, let's say we have selected a subcategory, right? Subcategory, then we want to visualize this by subcategory only. Else the last part is segment. Else we want to visualize it by segment. Just type only segment field, then you need to press end. The moment you select away your the moment you click away mouse, you will get here the calculation is valid. We are telling here, if profit parameter has value region, we would like to show this visualization by region, and the same and so on for other values as well, right? If I click on apply, then okay. So this is currently not linked. So in order to link this, what we will do, the calculation we have just created, it comes in a dimension. We need to drag onto this row shelf, right? Let me remove this. We don't need it. Simply what you can do, you have to place this calculation onto this row shelf. It is giving me database by segment, just because we have selected over segment here. Click on this subcategory, you are getting this by subcategory. Then we have a category, then we have a region, right? Then we have a segment. So this is how you can, let me make this chart a very beautiful. Let me make it profit by Profit by I want to appear in the title by whichever value I select in the parameter. So you come over here, and this is your profit parameter, right? Parameter underscore profit. Let me format this. I want to format it this, so let me make it bold, 14 bold. Let me take this color. I also want to apply this same color over here, right? And make it bold, make it 12, right? Then apply, then okay, right? If I change this into a subcategory, it will profit by subcategory. So this is fully a dynamic. Let me make it into middle, right? If you check this, let me change the color to this way, or you can check this, any of the color you can pick. Let me pick this color only, right? So you can also hide this your what you call it, just select over here, click on this, right click, hide label from row. You will get this label hidden. And also you can format your just right click on it, format header. You have to format, right click, then pick this color, make it bold, or you can keep it 8 size. You also can format your axis, right click, format. You can take the same color, right, make it bold, make it 8, right? And let me increase the fit width. Let me take it to the presentation mode. The moment you select your another any parameter, just click on this category, you will get this data, right? So let me make it entire view, not entire view. Let me fit width. I think I should increase the width of it. So this is, guys, these are all the formatting that you can perform by yourself also, right? Let me take it to presentation mode. Region, you are getting the profit by region, sub region, then category, right? You can also apply your label. Just click on this label, show mark, and on the match color you also can have your matching color, right? So now this looks me good now, right? This looks good, neat and clean. So this is how you can create a parameter. So in this video we talked about the hierarchy and the parameter. So in next video I will teach you about a dependent parameter. It means one parameter is dependent on the other parameter, right? Values, other parameter value. So in this tutorial I hope you have gained some knowledge in this tutorial. So please do comment, subscribe channel, and till then you stay connected to PracticalIt for more tutorials. Until then, you stay healthy and stay safe. Bye bye.